How to embed TikTok feed on Shopify. So all you have to do is to go here directly to your Shopify area and go to your customization area for your page. Now it will look like this. The next thing that you want to do is to actually go to a specific website. So I'll just give you the link down below directly to this, where you can add your TikTok widget. So here, if you tap on that link, it will lead you directly here, and here you will see 6 different template for your TikTok feed. Now here you can choose anything here. For me, I'll just choose this masonry dark and then tap on continue with this template. So before that, you have to create an account to Elf site first, or if you already have the account, then just log into your account, and here tap on add source. And if you already have a business profile for your TikTok and your business, then go to your profile and of course add your TikTok profile. And for me, I'll just use my hashtag because it's public and it's only for tutorial purposes. Then you can go hashtag OOTD and tap on apply here, and it will look like this. Now you can actually go to profile here and then tap on filters if you want to add your filter here. Now if you're done adding adding filter, tap on add to website. Now here it will actually add your website here. Now here on the upper right, you'll see publish. Tap on publish there, and here you'll see the plan of Elf site. So if you're planning to use Elf site more than one widget, then I recommend you to go and buy for the basic plan, or you can go to pro and premium. Of course, their accommodations are actually down here. For me, I'll just use this since I just want to use this for one widget for tutorial, and then tap on copy code here. Now after copying the code, go back to your store here, and here you will see featured collection. I just want to go here to my blog post where I want to put the TikTok feed here, and then go back, then go to here, tap on add section here and tap on custom liquid. Now here on custom liquid, tap on your custom liquid here, and actually you'll see the custom liquid here and then a huge space. What you want to do is to just paste the code that we just copied, and then tap on save on the upper right. Now here, if you go back here to your custom liquid, you will see your TikTok feed, and basically that's it. And that is how you embed TikTok feed on Shopify. And that is all for today. If this video helped you, please give us some thumbs up and subscribe to the YouTube channel for more tutorials. Thank you for watching.